Welcome to rigorous training in longitudinal data science, Radiance. Hello, and welcome to this Radiance presentation on reproducible and open data science. This session covers reproducible research, why there is a reproducibility crisis, potential solutions, and open data science. Research is reproducible when other researchers can reproduce the results from the same data and code used in the original investigation. Reproducibility is a fundamental tenet of science because scientific evidence is strengthened if results can be replicated and confirmed by several independent researchers. Besides its benefits for the scientific community, reproducible research also has many other advantages. Working reproducibly allows data scientists to track a complete history of the project's planning and development. It allows other researchers to gain an in-depth understanding of our work, which can facilitate peer review and collaboration. Well-documented analyses allow us to validate the results of our work and avoid misinformation, and they can help us write up reports and papers more efficiently. Reproducibility practices also encourage other researchers to test, reuse, and acknowledge our work in their research, and they allow us to easily share our work with different stakeholders, enhancing the continuity of our research ideas and their applications in other contexts. To understand better the meaning of reproducible research, it is important to distinguish it from other key qualities of research. As shown in this table, research is reproducible when the same analysis performed on the same data consistently produces the same results. It is replicable when the same analysis performed on different datasets produces similar results. It is robust when different types of analyses performed on the same dataset give similar results. And it is generalizable if different analyses performed on different datasets produce similar results. Good research should be reproducible to ensure efficiency in knowledge accumulation. However, there are many examples where results have been found not to be reproducible. In 2015, a team of researchers tried to reproduce 100 psychological studies published in high-ranking journals, but out of 97 studies reporting significant effects, only 36% of the replications yielded significant findings. Low reproducibility rates have also been reported in other scientific fields, such as medicine, biology, and economics. It is perhaps not surprising that a survey conducted by Nature in 2016 revealed that 90% of researchers agree that science is facing a reproducibility crisis. This clearly suggests that there is substantial room for improvement with regard to reproducibility practices. Different factors can hinder reproducible research. These include poor study design, analyses, and low statistical power, p-hacking and selective reporting, cognitive biases of the researcher, which can affect the analysis, interpretation, and reporting of the data, publication bias towards novel and statistically significant results. The data, methods, and code are often not shared or unavailable to other researchers, and there is a common misconception that reproducible research may take extra time and effort, which could be the case at the start of a new project, but working reproducibly will make our work more efficient in the long run. So, what can we do as data scientists to get around these barriers to reproducible research? Here we outline some potential solutions. Pre-registering the study protocol, including the study design, measures, and analysis plan, is a highly effective strategy to avoid cognitive biases and protect against p-hacking, selective reporting, and publication bias. Undertaking rigorous training in statistical and research methods will help to identify the best methodological and statistical practices for the research, develop robust study designs and analysis plans, and analyse and interpret the data more accurately. Improving the quality of the reporting of research is also necessary to enhance the reproducibility of the work and enable other researchers to evaluate and reuse our research. Lastly, open data science plays a key role in enhancing the reproducibility and transparency of research. So what is open data science? Open data science refers to the process of making the content and process of producing evidence from data transparent and accessible to others. To achieve this openness in our work, each step of the research process should be transparent, to provide clear information on how research output was produced and what it contains, reusable, so that other people can replicate the work and/or apply it in different contexts, collaborative, to incorporate multiple theoretical and methodological perspectives into a research project, accountable, to maintain the highest standards of ethical principles and practices, accessible, to ensure that everyone can access and use the evidence generated by our research, and reproducible, so that others can easily check and reproduce every step of our research. Open science aims to make the data, source software, and output of research open and available to everyone. Whenever possible, we should try to make our data freely available and share them in an open data repository, and we should prioritize the use of open datasets which are already freely available to researchers. We should also share our code in a freely accessible repository such as GitHub, where it can be viewed and reused by others. To enhance the accessibility of our work, we should then publish the research in open access journals, and also store copies or preprints of the work in freely accessible public repositories. In summary, in this session we have learnt that good research should be reproducible so that robust evidence is provided and knowledge accumulation is strengthened. Unfortunately, there are several barriers to reproducible research, such as the use of poor study design or analyses, p-hacking and selective reporting, and unavailability of the data and code used in research. Possible solutions to the reproducibility crisis include pre-registration of study protocols, undertaking robust methodological and statistical training, improving the quality of the reporting of research, and promoting open data science practices. The data, code, and outputs of our research should be freely available to maximize their use and societal impact. Here are some resources to learn more about this topic. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website www.radiance.org.uk.